I guess I just didn't check the description. And you can see here, it looks like there's two different roofs.
I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursue, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me. I don't read minds, but I see signs. Johnny and June, and we walking on.
Gosh, it's always a struggle coming out here. I went to the store. I got some roofing, not all of it, because my car does not deal with heavy stuff very well. Alrighty, next up we have starter shingle roll. So we're gonna put that on. Starter shingle roll, it goes down at the bottom, and I think it goes on the eaves too. I probably need to check that. Why is this all in a different language? French? What the? Hispanic? Mexican? Espanol? Apply it to eaves and the rake. So I guess I'll do that. Okay. So this stuff is self-adhesive. Seems pretty straightforward. Definitely need another one of these. Alrighty, we're laying the shingles. Woohoo! First time doing shingles. Don't hate me, roofers. But the first shingles down there, it's a full shingle thing. Sorry, I just carried up one of the packs of shingles. It's super heavy. Also, the shingles come where there's two connected together, the top, and then another one's on the bottom. I just did my first one and realized that it was two, so I had to take it apart. Anyway, so there are two, so be careful of that. Second one is, the shingles are supposed to overhang an inch, or if you have flashing, 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch. That's what the internet said on my brief search. So that's what I'm doing. Also did the lines, a few of them. And then I cut a few here. So I have a full one, cut a little bit off that, cut a little bit off that, and that one is from that, I think. You want to stagger them so that the seams don't all line up and make these weird lines. So yeah, make sure you stagger, cut them, and then hammer them, doing 4 nails. I also did not buy a nail gun for this because I wanted to save some money. So might not be the best idea, but we'll see. Maybe I should buy one and then return it after I'm done. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. All right, let's do some shingles. All right, there we got first steps. You can see on this side, it's looking straight. It's 1.5 packs. I have 12.5 more to go to do about half of the roof. Yeah, I got a lot. I need a crew. Come on, Home Depot crew, let's go. Hola, como esta? It is me, Papa. Do you like my song? It just made it. Alrighty, what's up, roofer boys? It's your boy, Roofer Boy Chris. Alrighty, we're gonna be roofing some roofing. Okay. Yeah, onward to the new shingles. Alrighty, let's get to the roof. Welcome to the roof. Good luck out there. Subscribe or I'll kick you in the face. Alrighty. We're off to a great start today.
Xander's in a timeout.
Is he?
Yeah, because he was trying to hit Zeke because he got frustrated.
Oh.
So, parenting.
Everybody. Hello there. Welcome back. Shout out to all the roofers out there. Your knees must be shot. And back. Go see a chiropractor. It'll change your life. Anyway, 6:37 maybe. And back on the roof. You know, got the morning shift, got the evening shift, but the evening shift is a little bit short because Papa's tired. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let's get it.
Got a spot for you that's chilling right next to me. And it feels so good with my friends and family. Turn it up loud, let the beat drop. Going all loud, ready or not.
Well, good morning there. It's Monday. Today we're going to be doing more roofing. Let's get it.
Go, go, come on, yeah, here we go. We let the good
What's up, everybody?
I haven't really talked too much about the roof, so I'm gonna talk about it. These are shingles. I bought all these from Home Depot, and actually got different ones from the first half to the second half, thinking they were the same, but they are the same color, so that's fine. Nobody can see it from the road, but even if you look, you won't be able to tell unless you know what you're looking for. So anyways, you basically overlap half of each other. So you take one shingle. Here's two shingles are stuck together. First one I put down, I actually put them both down not knowing. So you take them apart like this, and this side with the squares on the bottom, you put down on the bottom, and the other side's on the top. So whenever you nail it in this line, put in 4. If you're in a higher wind area, I think you have to put in 6. So you have that, and then the next shingle, they should be staggered. You cut them with a utility knife. And the next one will sit and overlap the nails so that the water doesn't get in the nails. Besides that, make sure they're straight. You do that by making sure your first row is straight, pretty much. Yeah, that's all the tips I have. Drink water. Drink a lot of water.
good times roll. Go, 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 here we go. Go, go, come on, yeah, here we go.
Sure. Hi. Welcome to the roof. The roof is on fire. Alright, we have these vents. You know where I got them. Home Depot. Let's go. And I'm not too sure what count I am on runs to Home Depot. If you want to join, comment how many times I go to Home Depot or Lowe's during this whole process, and whoever wins gets a $100 gift card plus some swag. Not this swag, maybe this swag, kind of whatever you want from the store. Really throw in something else, like a free dance. Okay. For the airflow, so the way that the attic of the roof works, so you have airflow coming down there from the soffits all the way down, and then it comes up. So we have this slope, right? And you can see the difference in the roofings, can you not? Good thing you can't see that from the street. Don't hate on me. So the soffit is below this on the overhang. Air comes up, and then it goes through the attic space, and then it exits, and there will be 3 of them here. And there's also going to be a soffit on this side as well. Okay, I gotta measure where I'm gonna put these so they're even and they look nice from that house over there. That's the only one that can see this roof. 35 divided by 4 sections is 8 times 4 is 36. So 7 3/4, something like that. It's 9. It's 9. For those who are already saying it's 9, I know. Shut up. Wiggle, wiggle. But it folds. Don't fall. Don't fold, camera. I do not need you to fold. Please, Daddy. Please, Daddy. We're going to take these positions and cut it out. Cut it. Should go under it. Alright, shingles acquired.
Now we figure out how to get this on. Now we got our next one up here. So kind of similar thing. Alright, I'm questioning myself. I don't know if the bottom flange is supposed to stick out. So I think that is supposed to be cut. My flanges down there are open on the bottom. Okay, I did it a tad bit wrong, which means I'm gonna have to redo this. But this will need to be cut. I'll sit in there. So now we have this vent. The way the video I just watched, shout out Shannon from that one home TV show. We have it overlapping the shingle, and so this is gonna stay open, and these are gonna come over here. Now, take the flash mate. And the water comes down, shouldn't get in here because it's flashed, and it should just come pouring out. So that's the idea. Okay, ding dongs, I gotta take a water break. Hey, Baba Boucher, mama. Said no, I gotta need no toothbrush. Alright, let's get water. Want you to look at that. Oh man, it looks good. I am a little disappointed that I got the wrong shingles. Just to be clear, they're the same color, but one of them is like Owens Corning something, and the other one's Owens Corning something else. Same color, estate gray. Actually, they were basically the same price too. I thought they were the same because they were the same pattern. I guess I just didn't check the description. And you can see here, it looks like there's two different roofs. But it actually looks, well, I was gonna say, it doesn't look as bad in real life. It honestly doesn't. Like, depending on the way that you look at it, it looks the same. From the camera, you can definitely see the line, but like, look over here, this way. Can you tell? Probably, because now you're looking for it. But from the street, you can't even see the roof. Anyways, I don't need to explain myself to you. I just need to make sure that whoever buys it doesn't care. Anyways, enough of me trying to make myself feel better. We're almost done with the roof, and that's exciting. Thank you for just being around. I love you. Subscribe. Toodaloo. Back to the roof, my friends. Back to the future. We did it! We got the last shingle on! And Xander's yelling at me to come get him. Let y'all look at this beauty. Which, a whole crew can do a roof on a day. Oh man, I was tired doing a lot of that. That's about it of this day. I really do appreciate y'all watching. I know I say that, but I do. And I appreciate y'all subscribing because it helps the channel, helps me get that money. And yeah, that's about it. Y'all have a good rest of your day, or morning, night, evening, whatever. Hope you're have the best day ever. Alrighty, see you later. See you in the next video. Go watch it. Here, go watch it now. Kaboom. Bye.